Hello everyone, Guns and Rosary po. Samahan niyo po akong i-overview ang CC Shadow 2 with barrel bushing, chamber in 9mm. Ang Shadow 2 with barrel bushing na ito ay modified version from Shadow 2. Isa itong very popular and upgraded na for competitive shooters. Ang model na ito ay ginamit din ng mga winners and champion, most of the time sa mga prestigious IPS shooting competition. Isa sa mga feature nito ang barrel bushing. Isa itong metal ring na fits sa between barrel and slide. Tumutulong ito upang ma-reduce ang barrel lag at ma-improve ang accuracy and to achieve tightened groups and more consistent ang result nito. Meron itong dimension na 157 by 34 by 217 mm. Ang barrel length ito is 4.7 inches. Chamber naman to sa 9mm. Meron itong magazine capacity na 17 plus 2. Meron itong fiber optic sa kanyang front sight at checkered naman ang sa kanyang rear sight. Tingnan po natin ang kanyang performance.
Sir. Kung tao yan, tinamaan na yan. Okay na yun.
Gawa naman sa Duralumin aluminum alloy ang kanyang grip. Very lightweight ito at extremely durable. Meron din serration ng kanyang front and back ng kanyang grip. Isa itong single action and double action, meron itong manual safety at meron itong safety nuts sa kanyang hammer. Nagpapasalamat po pala tayo kay Sir Beng Celestino sa pagpapahiram ng kanyang CC Shadow 2 with barrel bushing. Meron na rin itong Picatinny rail at naka-undercut na rin ang kanyang trigger guard. Meron din itong adjustable at extended mag release for fast reloading during shooting at ma-achieve ang kanyang maximum reloading speed. Maganda rin ang kanyang front sight na fiber optic, very visible ito when shooting and aiming. At adjustable naman ang kanyang rear sight to increase shooting and accuracy. Sinamahan pa nito ng ambidextrous na manual safety at meron din itong serration sa kanyang slide sa front and rear. At isa rin tong single action, double action. Meron itong trigger pull sa kanyang SA15 LBS at sa kanyang DA46 LBS. Nasa 3 to 4 LBS naman ang kanyang trigger reset at meron itong trigger grabber sa kanyang single action na 3 to 5 LBS at ang kanyang double action nasa 5 LBS naman. Hanggang dito na lamang po ang ating overview sa CC Shadow 2 with barrel bushing. Maraming salamat po. Stay safe and God bless.